everyone, I am here today to go ahead and show you my dog DNA test. It is from Embark. This one is breed plus health. This one is actually really neat. It's going to be able to screen for up to 170 plus genetic health conditions. It's going to test for over 250 different breeds. And you can actually discover ancestry all the way back to the great-grandparents. And you can actually connect with your dog's relatives if they are in the system, I'm assuming. So I want to go ahead and show you what the kit looks like. So you open it up like this. And it has all the nifty, easy stuff to go ahead and show you what to do. So I'm going to go ahead and show you without my code, because that will be my code to put in for everything. So the first thing you have to do is you have to activate your kit, and on my swab, which is right here, it's going to have my code. I flipped it so that you can't actually see it. And then right here, you're going to swab your dog with that swab. So right now it says make sure it's been 30 minutes since your dog last ate. I took his food dish up over an hour ago, so I think he's ready. Now you're going to swab the lower cheeks for 30 to 60 seconds with this part of the swab right here. Then you're going to insert the swab into the tube with the tip facing down. So right here, this actually just comes off, and then you're just going to put it right into the tube and then close the tube up. Then you're going to close it and you're going to shake it, and then it comes with the tracking and everything to go ahead and send it back, and it's already prepaid. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to swab my dog. Now, granted, we're trying to find out what kind of breeds are in him. He was sold as a teacup Chihuahua, but from what I have found out, there are no such things as teacup Chihuahuas. When you see him, I believe that he has Chihuahua and miniature pincer in him. So those are my two guesses. And the rest of my family obviously agrees as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to swab him. Okay, so here's little Rocky, and like I said, I think that he is Chihuahua and part miniature pincer. So I am going to try to get this in his mouth with one hand. Okay, come here. I know you don't like it. Don't try to eat it. Come here. Okay, so I'm just swabbing right there in his cheek. I'm going to keep swabbing. Of course, this is a lot easier. Rocky, don't try to eat it. Done. Yeah, this is easier said than done when you have something in your hand trying to film. Come here, Rocky. I know you don't want to do it. Aww. Oh, and he yawned. He yawned. Come on. I gotta swab you for like 30 seconds. Come on. I know. You're like, no. Oh my goodness. This is more like a comedy video now. Come here. Okay. I think you get the idea. I'm going to have to do the rest with my other hand. So let me go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so with extra blood, sweat, and tears, no, I'm just kidding, we were actually able to get Rocky to behave. So now, I just screwed the top back on, and now you just pretty much just shake it. You're supposed to shake it, I think, about 10 times so that it can get everything preserved, all the liquid and everything preserved in here. So that's what you're going to do. And then right here it tells you on step 3, you're going to drop your sample into the clear bag. So you were given a clear bag right here, and then you are going to go ahead and seal it, and then you're going to drop that bag into the envelope, and then you can go ahead and track everything. So right here, it tells you that it's going to be sent back. It gives you the tracking. It's already paid for. So this is super easy. I mean, anybody can do it as long as you obviously have 2 hands to hold your dog. Or a helper. I had my daughter help me. So you should be receiving results through the email, and they will tell you the breeds of your dog and then health conditions that they could possibly have. And I'm really excited to see what exactly he is. So If you guys like this video, make sure to check out the next one where I am going to show his reveal of his breeds. And I'm going to go ahead and show you just one more time what he looks like. So what do you think Rocky is? I think that he's part Chihuahua and miniature Pitzer. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.